You wake up standing in a hallway. No doors behind you, just one in front. You walk towards it. 10 steps, 20, 50. It never gets closer. You turn around. There's another door now. Same distance, same silence. Same flickering light that hums like it's tired of you. So you run, faster, harder, desperate. The hallway stretches with you like it's breathing. Then you see someone ahead. Relief hits. You scream, "Wait!" They stop. Slowly they turn. It's you, but older, thinner, smiling. They whisper, "You've been walking for years." The lights go out, and when they flicker back on, you're at the start again, facing the same door, still far away.